How you doing, folks? Chris here again with Shaughnessy Rental. Wanted to introduce you guys to our brand new piece of equipment here at Shaughnessy Rental, which is our Ditch Witch XT855 backhoe. As you can see, this isn't your normal backhoe. This particular backhoe runs on a rubber track system, which is good for a few things. One, obviously, when you're traveling on all terrain, as well as giving you good stability when you're traveling at all. So this particular machine weighs about 6,000 pounds. It has about 1,000 pound lifting capacity with that loading bucket up front there. You can dig about 6 feet deep with the excavating arm in the back of the machine. It's got a 32 horsepower diesel engine in it. It's got a lot of power. What is also unique about this particular machine is that, along with our other Ditch Witch SK650 front end loaders, you can unhook this bucket from the front with 2 simple pins right up here. And after you take this bucket off, you can then run any number of attachments that we supply right here at the store. We have trenchers, pipe pullers, augers, sweepers, graders, rotodarans, you name it, we got it. So that's another great thing about this tool, is that it doubles as a tool carrier as well as your normal backhoe. So again, this machine is great. It's got a lot of power, a lot of different uses, but don't take my word for it.